Hi guys, welcome to FunStuffMG. I'm Michael. I started a new hobby and this is my new YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you the air sofa. I will show you how it looks, how to inflate it, how to pack it back, how to use it. Let's get into it. Okay, well, the air sofa. It looks like this. It comes in a little tiny bag like that, different colors, different producers. So wherever you are, wherever you're from, you find it on Amazon, eBay, a local stores, wherever. You can carry it like this, like a bag. It's very light, so your girlfriend will manage to carry that to the beach definitely, and you just take the heavy ones. Okay, so what you do is just open here. Okay, so you open this here while pushing this little button down, and then you roll it out. Make sure you just open it really, just like loose. So if you do this the first time, so you will have no problems to get air in there. So you just make it open so that everything is loose in there. So okay, and you see, you have the right chamber and you have the left chamber. This ones you need to fill with air. And you do not do that while running around left and right, around people at the beach or wherever. If you have some wind, it definitely helps. If you don't, I'll show you how it works. Okay, so these are the openings. Make sure this is not twisted, because then you get a problem to close it. Okay, so what you do is you open it and you make like 3-4 steps. Same way you do on the other side. So, and this you just do like 2-3 times. No, not enough. No wind at all here. Okay, that should be fine for now. And then you just squeeze it together until you get that one inflated hard. So like you see now. It depends on how much air you get inside, how big it will become, how big it will become. Okay. So that didn't become now very big, but you got the idea, right? As you see, it has like some nice pockets for your phone, for whatever you carry with you. It has like a pillow built in. Now I show you how to store it back. Can you just open this? Right? And the only thing you need to do is just like put it back so it fits back to the back. So while you're doing this, the air goes out in the front, so no problem whatsoever. So you do it like this, and once you're done, you squeeze it back like this. And you pack it in the bag. Like this. And done. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumb up. If you didn't, well, the other one works too. If this video helped you and you are curious for more, please subscribe. I'm going next week to Malta, Europe, a little tiny island. I'm taking my drone with me. We'll make some nice movie about Malta. And like next month I'm going to the United States for 3 weeks. There will be some videos about Florida, about California, and I'm hitting also for some days to Hawaii. So if you're interested in anything of this, well, you maybe subscribe and look forward for it. Thank you and bye-bye.